Welcome back to Ansibles, everyone. So it looks like FAMI had a gap up in pre-market. We had been consolidating most of the day. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue going to tomorrow, what exact indicators I would be looking for to have that confirmation. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's move to this one. So I'm going to go over FAMI with you guys here on the 5-minute chart. I'm going to show you guys exactly what would have to happen for us to continue. Again, you guys can see we overall have been consolidating throughout the day, looking to see if we can have this breakout. I'm going to show you guys what has to happen here. But before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts at the day. We mentioned PALT halted today at $11.67, jumping up to $14 in the day. And we also did mention PALT halted yesterday at $6.22, jumping up to $15 in the day, over 120% on that breakout yesterday. We also mentioned JSPR halted at $9.35, jumping up to $11.85 on the day. And yesterday we mentioned GROM halted, jumped up to $6.14 on the day, over 40% on that breakout. So if you guys do want to see all of our breakout alerts at the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. So again, here on FAMI, as you guys can see, we have been consolidating overall on this chart. As you guys can see, we are actually creating a symmetric triangle here, looking to see if we can break out of this triangle. As you guys can see, yesterday we did alert this one at 38 cents. We had that breakout up to 40 cents going to extended hours. Then today breaking up to 53 cents with these candle wicks getting rejected to the upside here, not breaking above that 50-cent resistance that we're trying to break above here. As you guys can see, we did have that increase in buy pressure going to this morning, giving us that confirmation on that momentum. And then we did have those white shaded lines showing us that we did have that decrease in buy pressure, showing us that we were going to possibly consolidate from there or possibly come back down to get that breakout above our buy pressure point that we did have this morning. And as you guys can see, we did get those white shaded lines and did have that decrease in buy pressure, which gave us that consolidation going into today, creating this symmetric triangle throughout the day, looking to see if we can break out of the symmetric triangle. So again, we are going to be looking to see if we can break out of this, looking to see if we can get this 100-moving average going into tomorrow to curl up and continue on up and go into tomorrow. But however, we need that confirmation here on this momentum and on this buy pressure here on the MACD. As you guys can see, overall, we have been decreasing in buy pressure. We also have been decreasing in sell pressure, looking to see if we can get an increase in buy pressure rather than an increase in sell pressure. Again, as you guys can see, we are crossing with the EMA lines above the MACD, looking to see if we can continue with that momentum. If we can get these EMA lines to cross above the MACD and we can get an increase in buy pressure, we are going to be setting an alert right above our previous buy pressure point at this point. And if we are going to be setting an alert for a major breakout, we will be setting an alert above our momentum that we did have this morning on that breakout to 53 cents. Again, trying to break over 50 cents with momentum. So again, we're going to be trying to break above our previous buy pressure point going to tomorrow to break out of that symmetric triangle and then to have that major breakout that we're looking for and that confirmation to avoid any rejection leading into the next leg up. We are going to be looking to see if we can break above our previous buy pressure point that we did have this morning on that momentum. So again, FAMI on the symmetric triangle, we are going to be looking to see if we can break out of this. We do like how the 20 moving average, again, the yellow line is above the 50 moving average, which is the red line, looking to see if we can hold above it and continue on up. Now, again, the 20 moving average being above the red shows us that we could possibly continue. It shows us that we do have a capability of continuing. And in my opinion, FAMI has been one of the very few stocks a lot of people have been talking about, again, sitting here on the symmetric triangle, looking to see if we can break out of this symmetric triangle. As you guys can see, again, breaking above our previous buy pressure point to get that momentum, to make sure we do break above that buy pressure point and also break above our previous momentum that we did have today in pre-market and into open. So again, making sure we do get confirmation on every single breakout is exactly what I want to make sure we do focus on this channel. So I'm going to go back to the 4-hour chart so you guys can see what has to happen overall on this chart. As you guys can see overall on this chart, we have been selling off, but again, filling this gap here, looking to see if we can continue to fill this gap and break above our previous resistance that we did see here at 58 cents. As you guys can see, we previously did have our continuation sell-off at this point. We also did have a gap down and also bounced here and got rejected almost exactly at 58 cents. So looking to see if we can break above this resistance that we did have here and also on this bounce, if we can break over 50 cents going to tomorrow and hold above it again with that momentum on the 5-minute and making sure we do get confirmation on that buy pressure and also break over this 58 resistance that we have here, then in my opinion, we could have that continuation and major breakout. In my opinion, breaking over that 58-cent mark would be confirmed if we did break above our previous momentum that we did have this morning here on the 5-minute here on the MACD. So again, we are going to be looking for that confirmation on FAMI, making sure we do get confirmation again on all of these breakouts. So again, if you guys do want to see all of our penny stock or breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert of the day again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you instables that have been supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. As always, much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help others find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.